India alliance rift as it widens in the national capital ahead of assembly elections here. The Congress says India alliance was for Lok Sabha polls. Will decide to fight together or not. Manikam Tagore, Chief Whip and Congress MP, says it was indeed for Lok Sabha polls. India bloc allies will not decide what the Congress wants to do in Delhi. They can have opinions. It is not binding on us. AAP has cheated people in Delhi. In fact, the Congress will reclaim that territory, is what the Congress leader says. That we are giving people an option now. If not for AAP, then the Congress has a lot to offer, he says. We have ruled for 15 years in Delhi. We have a vote bank here. And we are an option for the people of Delhi. We are an alternative.
ये लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए था गठबंधन, बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हैं। वो जो इंडिया गठबंधन था वो लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे अलग अलग राज्यों की परिस्थिति के हिसाब से जो दल हैं, कांग्रेस हो या क्षेत्रीय दल हो, वो निर्णय लेते हैं कि हमें इकट्ठे लड़ना है या अलग लड़ना।
इंडिया ब्लॉक हैज 26 parties. 24 parties can't decide about what Congress has to do and Aam Aadmi has to do it in Delhi. All the 24 alliance partners who don't have any support in Delhi can have opinion in Delhi, but people only prefers between Aam Aadmi and the Congress party. And here the alliance has broken down because of the arrogance of Aam Aadmi party. And we respect that thing there. Aam Aadmi's choices also we respect it, but we are parted away and we are working for we are going to the people, the same people who had stood with Congress, and we are going to tell to the people that Aam Aadmi has just cheated them. They are not able to deliver it in the assembly elections. Therefore, they are able to getting into all the kind of controversies of Sheesh Mahal se leke, all kind of things are there.
All right, let me bring in Rahul Gautam joining us live for more on that. Rahul, you have the Congress finally responding to all the taunts made on the India alliance and the purpose of it, its lack of clarity, lack of leadership. So you have the Congress leader saying, yes, it was indeed formed for Lok Sabha elections. Post that, it's all up to the Congress who they want to ally with, and if they want to ally with, then none can school them or give them advice on how they should fight in Delhi.
Absolutely, Nabila. You know, I think Congress leaders are now coming out and putting a record that that India bloc was formed mainly and essentially for Lok Sabha polls, and that too at national level. As far as states are concerned, it is the prerogative of Congress party and other alliance partners whether they want to align in those states or not. And therefore, you know, in fact, Manikam Tagore, who is Congress Lok Sabha whip also, in fact, he put on record that other parties can't really dictate that what Congress party should do and, you know, how they should, you know, go in alliance with other parties as far as other states are concerned, given the fact that India bloc was essentially for Lok Sabha polls. Now, see, you have to really understand that, you know, with the support pouring in for Kejriwal in the national capital, likes of Samajwadi Party, TMC, Shiv Sena, UPT, you know, politically speaking, it might not be a jolt for Congress party given the fact that they don't really have much to lose as far as, you know, Delhi is concerned. Less than 4% votes, 0 seats. But in terms of optics and in terms of, you know, perception battle, obviously this comes as a huge embarrassment for Congress party, who is in leading position as far as India bloc is concerned. But still, the other political players are choosing to throw their weight behind Aam Aadmi party and not behind Congress party. In fact, many Congress leaders are off record saying that the kind of support that we are witnessing now for Aam Aadmi party, why it was missing in Haryana when Congress was in commanding position and was taking on BJP. So clearly it seems that as far as Congress is concerned, politically speaking, it might not be a you know, denting move given the fact that you know, as many believe that this battle is essentially between Aam Aadmi party and BJP. But in terms of perception, in terms of optics, clearly it comes as a blow, or you can say it comes, you know, at the cost of reputation of Congress party, who many believe is in leading position.
Blow, Rahul Gautam, definitely casts a blow to the credibility of the India alliance that came together to fight the BJP but seems to have lost track. At this point, some of the alliance members hoping for some clarity, saying if it was indeed only for Lok Sabha parliamentary elections, then that's over. It's time to disband it.